What's going on, guys? This is Mike and Odin bringing you another great vegan recipe. Now in this video I'll be showing you how to make peanut butter and chocolate vanilla ice cream. Now it's a great treat to have during these hot summer days, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So for everybody wondering what I do with the bananas that I don't eat, right here, so easy. You just pop them in when they get ripe, and there you go. You have them. You can make all types of stuff. You can definitely make a lot of nice cream with these bananas. So quick pro tip: in order to get the banana out of the frozen peel, I cut slits on 4 sides of the half piece of banana, and it comes right out. You just peel it off here. Now it's not perfect, but it does make it a lot easier. Okay, we'll have to scrape some. Now I freeze the bananas like this so they don't turn colors when they get frozen. Okay, you get that stuff off, and you're left with a pretty white banana. See, guys? Nice. Alright, guys, so here are all the ingredients you need in order to make peanut butter and chocolate ice cream. We need just a splash of vanilla extract, a cooking scoop of peanut butter, also a large scoop of cocoa powder. Now both of these ingredients are to your taste, so you can add more or less. And for my food processor, I have about 2 cups of cut bananas, chopped frozen, and a splash of water. Now you can also substitute this with almond milk, but I don't have any, so I'll just use a little bit of water. Hey.
Hi.
What you doing?
I just played.
You failed. Alright, guys, so this is all we need. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to put our bananas in the processor. Next, we're going to take our vanilla extract. Dash that in.
Dada. Dada.
Yes. Next, we want to take our peanut butter. Go ahead and push that on in there like so. And last, our chocolate, well, not last, but next to last, our chocolate, our cocoa powder, put it in there. Lastly, our water. Oop, left a few bananas. Alright. All your ingredients are in. I'm going to take my top. Alright, and lastly we're going to put our machine, we're going to put our motor on the mixer, food processor, whatever you have. This is what I have. It's a small Ninja. Without the water, this thing actually overheats, so that's why I put a little bit of water to help the process go on. So all you need to do now is just press the button. And you just keep doing it till you get a very smooth texture. Press it. Press it. Wow, you're such a good helper. Good job. All right, it's done. So if you can see, it's super smooth and creamy. You just want to push down some of the stuff that came up and give it one more blitz. And guys, you have some of the most delicious banana ice cream you've ever had. And no animals were harmed or abused. Oh yeah. You just want to scoop that in the bowl. And that's it, guys. That's all you need to do in order to have an amazing summer treat that'll keep you and your family cool and keep them happy as well. Now you already know that it's not done until we give a final taste test. So I'm going to bring the squirt over here and see if he likes it. Odin, come here. You want to try it? Let's try it. Uh-oh. Let's try it. You like it? Very good. I love you. Oh, you're sweet. So there you have it, guys. Chocolate and peanut butter nice cream. So good. If you haven't tried it yet, go ahead and try it. If you like this video and want more recipes like this, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And we'll see you in the next video. You want more? But I only made enough for me. Okay. Say like and subscribe.